Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today to see what I am up to. And I have a new box. How to show you this? I'll just show you the back of the box. The box is right here. This is a new subscription to the channel, and this is from EyeScream Beauty. I've been wanting to try this one. I've seen many unboxings and thought this was a great box and a good value at the same time. I just have a little bit of information about them since they are new to the channel. I know a lot of you probably have heard of them. It's $24 a month. Shipping is included, US only. You receive 5 to 7 items every month, tools, makeup, and skincare products. On their website, they say this box is a makeup lover's dream. We put a palette in every box. How exciting. I love palettes. And they do have, in this box is available international. That's why I said it's shipping included, US only. International rates available on a monthly, 3-month, and 6-month plan. So you just have to go to their website, and I'll leave a link to their website in the description box. You can go right there and you can see for yourself if this is, you know, a good value for you. I don't have any idea what the rates are, shipping and all that good stuff. They also have an EyeScream Beauty bag that's $12.50 a month, so very affordable. I might try that one just to bring it maybe once or twice to show you, just like I did with Glow Addict. I get the box, but I got the bag for a couple months, so something more affordable. You get 3 to 5 items in that instead of 5 to 7. But if $12.50 is what you can afford versus $24, then at least you can get it. Their box is really nice. I can't show you the front because my label, it's like marbleized box. It's like a coated box. It's really nice. Oh, this is, aw, look. I don't want to, it's going to tip. I'll just take the card out. They have little heart, like styrofoam. How adorable. And you get points for that because that is extra thought. So this is the box. Like I said, I don't want to tip it too far. So it's, and this is February. And this one is a little bit late. They did have a family emergency. This is a family-run business. Family medical, like non-pandemic emergency. So it did slow them up and it did affect them. I mean, I understand that. So they did email everyone and let everybody know that their box was going to be late. You know, no problem. You know, I just asked them, do you have any idea when you're going to ship? This way I can sort of plan, you know, my videos. And it shipped, I think, a few days after that. So, and they apologized up and down. And I was like, you don't need to apologize when you have a family emergency. They do include, and this is perfect, a little, you know, paper with the product and pricing, which is greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. And it says, love you, and it says February, love you to peaches. Maybe that's a little hint as to what is inside. Don't know where to start. We'll just pull the first thing. So I have here, nicely packaged. And this is from Mirabella, and this is a blush duo for $28. I can never get these out like this. Sometimes it's better with scissors, just to use the scissor to help open the box so you don't destroy the box. Because if I don't want to keep it, I don't want to destroy the box and be able to share it with an intact box. So it does give you like a little bit of the shades in the back. Here's the packaging. Nice packaging. Sweetheart and Babe must be the shades. Does come with a mirror, and it has a little protector on it. So we have a shimmer and a, like a matte blush. They're not bad. I like the little XOs. Nice little mirror. This is great. Little compact item there. $28 from Mirabella. Like I said, these are adorable. Look how cute these are. Little hearts for your little stuffing. Let's get these out of here and out of the way. Let's do this. And this is from Hikari. And this is a lipstick in Reef. $17. I have quite a few of their lip products. Very nice. But I'm a lipstick junkie. Anyway, a lip product junkie. I hoard them. I have put my new acrylic holders up with the lipstick that I want to wear all the time. This way, I could not, with the other one, this is the case. I just couldn't, Okay, that is damaged and broke. I might have to contact them. I mean, I know that's not their fault, but that's a red for sure. That is, it's all like stuffed up in the tube. Oh, okay, I'll contact them, but maybe I won't. Who knows? So that's $17 for that. And then we have, like they said, a palette in every box, so it's nicely packaged. Just trying to get rid of these little stuffies. So that's 1, 2, 3. Oh, I see. And this is by Ruby May. This is Maureen, an 18 color eyeshadow palette. This is it. There's always a way that it comes out easier, one side versus the other. That's a little trick there. Is this sealed up? No. No mirror, but it's not necessary. And it does have a protective sheet on it, so I'm going to leave it on. I probably will share this. I hope that's not glary. I'll try to turn it down there. A little too bright for me. Oops. Here is the protective. But there's enough. Like, there's some nice greens, a blue, some purples, that bright pink, peach, and the yellows. And I mean, it's really not a bad palette. You have some a couple neutrals. You could do quite a few looks with this, so I'll probably share that in a giveaway. Not something that I would pull for, or maybe only use 1 or 2 of the shades, and to me that's a waste. I would rather share with you, and oh, I'm excited about, oh, we'll save that one for last then. And that, did I tell you? Ruby May cost $35. And then Be a Bombshell lip liner. So here's the lip liner. And this is in the shade Afternoon Delight. So here's the shade. I'm not going to open this just because I have so many lip liners. I'll probably share this. But that's nice. And then this is $14 for a lip liner. And then this is from Crown. And this is their, I guess, Pro line. Brush Enchanted set. Limited edition collection. Only $10. So you have foundation buffer, which is going to be this one right here. Then you have the next one is a powder brush, an eyeshadow brush, a blending crease, and then a liner right at the end there. 5-piece. Wow, that's really nice. I like that. I wonder how they feel. I might share them in a giveaway rather than, I don't need to be keeping brushes. And sets are great. Then if I give them away, then you guys can start out maybe on a, you know, a good foot and at least have 5 brushes. I might contact them about the lipstick because that is definitely broke. So tell me what you think of my first. So this is the February EyeScream Beauty Box. I think this is a great box. A blush palette, an eyeshadow, a lip liner, and a lipstick, and then a cute little brush set. I think this is a great box and all-inclusive. Besides your base products, you know, your primers and your foundation and your concealers, you know, if there's an eyeliner in here, we'd be good to go. A mascara, but most people have mascaras and liners, and if you wear that kind of stuff, but maybe that'll be in the next box. So that is my box right here. I knew I would not be disappointed in this just from everything that I have seen. So I look forward to getting this for 3 months, and then we'll make a decision whether it stays or whether it goes. If they continue on this line, it'll stay. I might add maybe in April or May, somewhere around there, maybe April, the EyeScream Beauty bag for $12.50 to see the items that you get in that, if that's more affordable for all of you. Because, you know, if I was on a tighter budget, I might have to, you know, get that type of subscription bag versus spending $24 for the box, because you could get the Glow Addict Beauty bag and the EyeScream Beauty bag, or get like one of the, like the EyeScream Beauty bag and maybe like Lip Monthly, where you're barely spending $20 and you're still getting lip products and makeup, or 2 boxes with 2 bags, I mean, with makeup. And you could really start a nice collection that way and keep it very affordable for yourself. So I might do that in April. I'll make a note for April, the end of this month, to add the beauty bag from them and see what that has to offer. So I'm excited for this one, and now I can't wait to see what March has to offer. I've been billed for March because this came a little bit late, like I said. So now I can't wait to see, you know, their shipping process on a normal routine and see what they offer in the March box. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for watching today, and I appreciate all of you, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.